This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Shopify questions or tasks on demand.
Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you today how to create a pickup option or a collect option in your Shopify. So maybe you want to sell some products from home or from your store, and you want to give local customers the option to pick it up so you don't have to charge any shipping fees. So I'm going to show you how to do that. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to settings, and then you're going to want to go to shipping options, and that's going to bring it down to shipping rates and shipping zones. And I didn't refresh this page, so it wouldn't show my address up here for security reasons. But this is what the page looks like. And what we're going to do is we're going to click Add Shipping Zone. All right, so you can name this whatever you want to name it. This is not what customers see, by the way. I'm going to say collect in store. Okay, so now you're going to want to select your countries and regions. So say I did United States, right? So you can do all United States. You can do, so if I did United States and I click this and save it, then you can go into this and you can also change which states you want to ship it to. So if I just wanted to ship it to maybe Arkansas, you would select or deselect all of these and only have Arkansas there. So whoever orders from Arkansas, they'll see this option, okay? So I'm going to click that. All right, so now you can either do either a price-based rate or a weight-based rate. So if you're doing free shipping, it kind of depends on how you want to set it up. If you were doing, free pickup option, if you're doing it because maybe you had a really heavy product and you wanted to give the option to only have that product be picked up because it'd be too much to ship, you can set it as a weight-based rate. But if you want to just give this option to whoever that wants to pick it up, so you would do add rate, and you would just leave this 0 and have no limit here, okay? And then this is what customers do see. So I can do pick up option here, or say in-store pickup or pickup only, etc. And then what you're going to want to do is click free shipping rate, and then click done. And there you go. So now we have set up a free option to pick up a product in our Shopify. Hope that helps and have a great day.
Was this helpful? Ask a Shopify question now. AskQuesty.com.